Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to study an important topic. Figures of speech in detailed with examples. First we have a word. Simile. Definition. A simile is a comparison between two different things using like or as. It helps create a vivid image. Examples. He is brave like a lion. Her smile is as bright as the sun. The water is as clear as crystal. 2. Metaphor. Definition. A metaphor makes a direct comparison between two things without using like or as. It says one thing is another. Examples. He is a lion in the battlefield. Time is a thief. Her voice is music to my ears. 3. Personification. Definition. Giving human qualities to animals, objects, or non-human things. Examples. The flowers smiled at the sun. The wind whispered in the trees. The stars danced in the sky. 4. Hyperbole. Definition. An exaggeration used to show strong emotion or emphasis. Not meant to be taken literally. Examples. I've told you a million times. She cried oceans of tears. He runs faster than the wind. 5. Alliteration. Definition. The repetition of the same sound or letter at the beginning of words placed close together. Examples. She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The wild wind whistled. 6. Onomatopoeia. Definition. Words that sound like the noise they describe. Examples. Boom, bang, splash. The cat meowed. The clock ticked loudly. 7. Oxymoron. Definition. Two opposite or contradictory words used together. Examples. Sweet sorrow. Living dead. Deafening silence. 8. Pun. Definition. A play on words, usually based on double meanings or words that sound alike but have different meanings. Examples. A boiled egg is hard to beat. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like bananas. 9. Irony. Definition. Saying the opposite of what is meant, often for humor or sarcasm. Example. What a pleasant day, said when it's storming, a fire station burns down. 10. Euphemism. Definition. A polite or gentle way of saying something unpleasant or harsh. Examples. He passed away. Instead of died, she is mentally challenged. Instead of stupid. 11. Metonymy. Definition. Using a related word or idea instead of the actual thing. Examples. The crown will decide the nation's future. Crown equals king or government. Hollywood is making great movies. The White House issued a statement. White House equals president, government. 12. Synecdoche. Definition. A part representing the whole or the whole representing a part. Examples. All hands on deck. Hands equals sailors, people. He earns bread for his family. Bread equals money, food. 13. Anaphora. Definition. The repetition of words at the start of sentences or clauses for emphasis. Examples. I came, I saw, I conquered. Every day, every night, every moment, I miss you. 14. Anticlimax, bathos. Definition. When ideas are presented in descending order of importance, ending with something silly or insignificant. Opposite of climax. Examples. He lost his family, his wealth, and his pen. For God, for country, and for chocolates. She is loved by her parents, her friends, and her pet squirrel.